Hi, I'm Annie Bergman-Jatina. I'm the Creative Director for Heifer International, and we're here today with Puyen Chong. She's our graphic designer, and we are going to be cooking vegetable spring rolls.
Vegetable spring rolls.
In celebration of the Lunar New Year. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, great. So I guess first of all, we want to mince
all
garlic.
3 of them?
Yes, all of them.
Okay.
While you're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and cut up the vegetables here. We have celery and carrots and onions and cabbage. So on the vegetables, what you want to do is cut them up. Julienne cut them so that it's really thin and small, so that when you fry it, it'll be crispy. Once you slice it thin like that, you can stack them together to the height you're comfortable, and then you know, kind of like slice them real thin so they are like kind of like thin matchsticks like that.
Okay.
So next, I guess we'll start with the celery. Then what you can do is you can just cut it this way, straight like that, straight down, and you can stack it and then cut it.
Okay, so just like the carrots, basically. All right.
Yeah. This is real easy. So since it's all in layers, so you just turn it to the shorter end of it, and you just cut thinly down.
Still real thin, okay.
Yes. So last, we'll cut the cabbage.
Cabbage, okay.
Once you cut into half, you can cut this into another half here.
Okay, so just cut straight down the middle.
Yes.
Okay.
Straight down the middle. And we'll use one section first. What you do is, you see this triangle part here?
Yep.
So you just cut it off like that.
Okay.
Okay, cut it down straight like that. And you start cutting it this way.
Okay.
Cutting it down like that. And, you know, slice it kind of thin like that. So now that we have all the vegetable julienne cut up, we'll take it over to the wok and we'll start cooking there.
Okay, all right, let's do this.
We have already heated up the wok to a little high heat.
Okay.
And what we'll do is we'll put some oil. You can, you know, just do 1 tablespoon or even, you know, 1 teaspoon of oil in it. So once we put the garlic in, so once it's fried, what we can do is we can start putting in the rest of the vegetables. Okay. Yeah. So I guess we'll do the onions next.
Stir those around as well?
Yep.
Okay.
You saute it.
You want to brown those as well?
Yeah, brown it a little bit. We can start adding the rest of the vegetables.
So now we're going to add just everything else?
Yeah, we can add everything else, but since there's a lot, we want to slowly add them. You want to mix them all up really well. At this stage, we can slowly add in our seasoning. We'll put in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce.
Okay.
Next, we'll pour in the 1 teaspoon of ground pepper and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder.
Just sprinkle it in?
Just sprinkle it all. Just sprinkle it all over the vegetables. That's great.
Okay.
So if there's any water in here, we want to kind of cook it till the water, you know, is as dry as it can be.
So it evaporates.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we can also add in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. So next, if you want to add white pepper, I think we'll just do just a real quick sprinkling. Yeah, that would do.
So Puyen, how can you tell when the veggies are done?
Well, once you can see it's almost done, ready. It's kind of all limbed, soft, and there's not hardly any water in here.
Oh, right. You want to be looking for the water. Okay.
Yeah. We're ready to get the wrapping process going. So next we'll take, we have 1 egg, we'll beat it up, and that's to use it to seal the wrapper when we fill it. With our wrapper here, we'll take a little bit of the filling, and we'll scoop it, maybe, let's see how much, we're about 2 tablespoons, okay. So what you want to do is you want to turn it around and make sure it's tucked real good.
Okay.
And then you take the edge, the corner here, and fold it over and roll it all the way to this area. And then we can use our finger, it's clean.
Okay.
And we'll take some of the beaten egg and we'll just basically put it onto the edge of the wrapper to seal.
And this seals it?
Yeah, to seal the spring roll. See, you have
How's that look? Oh,
Great
I've got a
job.
little bit extra
Yeah,
there.
a
Is that
little bit
okay?
extra, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll put this aside
Okay.
and we'll start by
Okay.
making more. Now we're ready to deep fry the spring roll.
Yeah, look at these. They're all rolled up,
Yep.
ready to go.
So once it starts turning golden brown, that means it's pretty good. You can bring it out.
Do you need to,
So
do you flip them at all?
slowly, yeah, you can
Okay.
just slowly turn them to make sure that all sides are golden brown. So here we have our spring roll. So do you want to try one?
Yes, I do. Okay, and
Yes,
should I
and we
dip?
have some sweet chili sauce here that you
Okay.
can dip it in. Some people like different sauce and they can do that. I like sweet chili sauce. You can use plum sauce or honey mustard or hot mustard.
Those are delicious.
Is that right? Great, wonderful.
Check back on our blog. We're going to have lots more recipes coming. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!